welcome back to my channel. Today we have to sew an outfit in 24 hours, so let's get started. Make an outfit for my friend. Tomorrow she has her vernissage, so she needs to have an outfit. Yesterday she came in and we took some new pictures of my collection, which you can just see in the back. So we just went out and checked some outfits, some inspiration picture, which I'm just gonna put right in here. Build up the outfit with the pants and the jacket and also the top underneath. So if you have all baggy on it, like a baggy pants, a baggy top, you are gonna look smaller. So I told her maybe we can make the pants. I'm a really big fan of the pants. I'm always wearing mine when I'm sewing because it's just comfortable. That's a really nice one. It's also really trendy. We're gonna base on that. And the pants is gonna have 2 folds on the front, 2 darts on the back, 2 pockets in the front, a waistband. And today we have really to make the pants totally done just without hemming. Gonna come in tomorrow, so she has to try on the pants and I have to hem the pants so it's fitting her perfectly. Also, she went shopping once and she took a picture and a video of the one top she really liked but she did not get. But that's the perfect outfit and a perfect top. We're just gonna make it in the same fabric like the pants. This really cute top, and we're gonna smoke on the back so it's just elastic and really comfortable to wear. Today we just went fabric shopping right here. So we have this fabric which is a really nice light cotton one for the summer. I feel like this gives just the perfect structure. Like, we got 3 meters and she spent I think 32 euros, which is kind of cheap, I would say. I have the other stuff. I have a zipper, I have buttons, I have the interfacing. So I would make now the sewing pattern. It is 11 a.m. right now, so we have 24 hours. I hope and I think I'm gonna work until 9 or 10, something about that today, and then tomorrow she's gonna come in, check everything, but we see that tomorrow. So we have made the basic pants sewing pattern already, which is just here. I have the dart as well, which I just can function later on as a folding line in front of. And the bag we just have darts on already, and then we have to make the pockets bags as well, but that's just like easy points. So I always work with some basic patterns and then I just do like a pattern makeover or something, how you call it. And yeah, so the fabric is washed, which I would always recommend because it's gonna shrink maybe a little bit, it's gonna bloody out, like the color comes off. So always keep sure to wash your fabric before you work with it. It's always bad you do something, you get work into it, and then it's just, or it's smaller or whatever. And if you're interested in any patterns, you can just go ahead and check out on my link down below on Etsy or Makerist. I'm selling some sewing patterns right there. If you're specifically interested on this pattern, you have to comment down below. I'm uploading it then. I just have so much to do right now, so I'm not able to, but later on probably I am. The pattern right here for the pants. I have all the pieces cut it out already. Thought I'm just gonna make the pants by first and then I'm gonna redo the sewing pattern for the top and make the top. It's just better for me making one project after the other and not starting 2 projects in the same time. So there's the sewing pattern right here, so I have to cut them out right now, every single pieces. Also put some fleece lining on top of it. Okay, it is now all cut it out how you have seen, and also I did search all the edges. Here you see the pants right there. We have made them. The zipper part is done as well right there with the underlayer as well. The pockets I did not search just because I pushed through it and we might gonna see a line right here, so I did not do that. The zipper is done, and then here's the back part right there with the darts. I made that. I searched it also all around, so we can now put them right sides together and then just turn them inside out. the pants is done. I just hung it up so it's really fitting well. I tried everything on, and you have the pockets. You see when you wear it, it's just gonna go away by the folds, and that's just normally. So here's the pants. I still have to make the hem right here. It's probably way too long, but better too long than too short. She's gonna come in tomorrow. And then something for the top. I did try it out some smoking. This was 30 centimeters long, and I did measure, just I checked how much goes away, and it's about 5 centimeters. So that's the inside right here with the elastic. To put the elastic for the bottom thread, and then here you just have a normal thread. And then I have this sewing pattern just right here, and she does not want to have cups, so I have to make a different sewing pattern just for the front, and then for the back I have to add 2.5 centimeters on each side, so I have 5 centimeters more. Now it's about 9 p.m. almost, so I still have a lot to do. I'm really happy that the pants is done, and I like it, and it's working out, it's fitting. I have to make the top. I hope I can just finish the top by all the basic stuff, and then tomorrow I can talk to her and we can figure out what comes in the front, and then I probably have about 2 hours, 3 hours more. So the front is done right now. Here's the outside and the inside, and then for the back I tried out 2 different ways. So this is with just an elastic, like it's stronger from the elastic and it's a little bit more roughy, and then I also tried out some smoky, which you just see, and this is just not that strong. It's 5 centimeters more, so I'm gonna put a big elastic. I feel like I'm gonna put a big elastic in right here, so for the top, and then I'm gonna add on with the smoking right here. The smoking, I did a combination out of both. I really like the back actually, it's looking really nice, and now I put the right sides together, and I'm just gonna sew the sides right here. The top, the pants is gonna probably be up like here. I'm really liking it. It's not falling downwards or anything, but I know that she's a little bit smaller, so I'm just gonna make it a little bit smaller onto the side so it's more stretchy and holding up here better, but I really like how it's gonna look here. I feel like when I do like an interfacing right here, I'm gonna have a line also up here, which is not really that bad because it's something on top of it. Yeah, that's definitely a vibe and an outfit. Really like that. Good morning guys, so today is the day of the vernissage. Yesterday I worked until 1:30. I got a lot done. I did finish the top all the way with the elastic and stuff. I decided that I did not want to have any lining because of the stuff that comes on top is just even more heavier, and I talked to her. She said, well, I don't need that really much, but if it's gonna bother her or whatever, and later on I can still put some stuff on and you won't see any seams or stuff in this inside, which is really nice. And you see here there's literally no button because it's just in the inside, so it's basically just the other way around, so we have no buttons. It's just better how it's gonna look. And then it's also hemmed, which you can see right here, so the pants fits her really well, which I really like. Also, I did try it out a few methods how to put the stuff on top, like flowers. So the outfit's gonna be inspired all by flowers because the vernissage is going to be in a flower store. So I thought the top has to be something about flower and flory and just be. I'm gonna put on some shorts for that, so you can just check them out. They decided to put 4 flowers diagonal and then just like all the ruffles between it, and I did made it already, so I had to try it on by myself. You see the flowers. I still have to put this top one, I still have to put that on, and the other stuff is also just pinned. You see all the needles. I did try it out, a kind of volants kind of method. So you basically just cut everything out into a circle. I have it about 3 centimeters wide, not really that big. It's just not her vibe. She's really minimalistic, I would say. She's not over the top or anything, but you just want to have some structure. So you basically just cut everything into a circle and then you create this kind of ruffle thing. Top, I did create it 2 times. So I had left and right fabric, placed it on top of each other, sewed on top, and then I turned it inside out, so I had to iron it also all the way around. And then the other method was just a flower, creating by a little stripe and then making it ruffly, sewing it into a circle. And so this method I really like. It had a structure, it worked with the fabric, and I really liked how that looks.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited